Alright, on my last video, I had a few people ask me did they have multiple color tarps, and multiple widths of the tarps. So I'm at the dollar store and I'm coming to find out the answer to that question and how long they are. Alright, so here we go. I'm at the tarp section. These tarps are 4 by 6. 4 by 6. And some people said, oh, you can't do anything with that, but you can. You can help stop leaks. You can help stop air in the house, out of the house. You can use it for your pets. And they also have this size. This one is 8 feet by 10 feet. It can help keep the cold off of you if you're outside, or off of your pets. Cover the items up. It can help inside the house in a room that maybe you're not using. You could put this around the windows, duct tape it up, help keep the air out of the house and the Georgia power bill or the power bill lower. So the answer to you all's question is 8 by 10 tarp and 4 by 6 tarp. I just wanted to make sure I answered that question for those who asked me. Tools that they have: bar clip, screwdriver, bit set, tape measure. Tape measure is $5, you all, at the $1.50 store. So right here it says $1.50, so I guess all of these items are $1.50, whereas those over there are $5. Okay. Paracord, you can use paracord for a lot of different things. Bread ties or cable ties for a lot of different things. Always have your gloves inside your vehicle, inside your bug out bag, inside your toolbox. Cables, good thing to have. A scraper is a good thing to have inside your vehicle, or even inside your bug out bag. Alright, back over here to the tape. A few people asked me about the tape. Alright, so this is heavy duty duct tape. And this one is black. You have packing tape, and this one is clear. Let's see, this one is together.